I am making some charcoal, or collecting charcoal, that I will then make into biochar. Biochar is pure carbon that's been inoculated with life. Because if you put charcoal directly into your garden, it is cellularly, it has so many pores that it basically absorbs all of the nitrogen in your soil for a year, and it steals it from the plants. Whereas if you inoculate it with life before you do that, it doesn't pull nitrogen from the soil. But it stores carbon in your soil, which means that your soil has more water holding capacity, and it holds on to minerals and nutrients that makes it more bioavailable to the plants. And there's also a lot of ash where the carbon burned down more than I would have liked, but because it was once a tree, there's a lot of minerals that the tree's deep roots pulled out that's locked up in ash. Now I'm just quenching the charcoal so the combustion process ceases. Otherwise, all of the carbon will burn until it's just ash, and I want the carbon molecules to stay intact.